time around here in Taipei. Just wake up. And now that we finished our breakfast, we are gonna explore. Oh, would you look at that? It's the bridge. I think that's the bridge that we're looking for. Nice, I can see it without searching in Google because we don't have data yet, right?
Right. Yeah, really nice.
You tell them the bridge? We're gonna go there, right?
Yeah.
That. No, I mean that.
Yeah, I already showed them the bridge.
We're gonna go there now.
Okay.
And look at that motel.
Oh, look. Because what we can do is we go down here, down the walkway, we walk across, and then you walk up that little ladder over there.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah. So we are in Lushu, district here in Taoyuan, Taiwan, and I think this is we don't know the river yet. We didn't search for it, but it just came out of nowhere. Like it's just popped on our face, and we saw this bridge. It's very nice, and we're gonna walk on the other side because there's another bridge there, and I'm looking forward for a good scenery there more. Okay, and do you think what temperature right now? 30 degrees. Do you think it's not raining? I'm so happy. So I'm taking advantage of it because according to Weather Channel, it's gonna rain, or maybe there's a 40% chance of raining. Can you hold this for me, love? So what did we eat now earlier, love? I really like it, though we don't know the...
You mean that little, I don't know,
bread.
yeah, this like, definitely not pastry. It's like a bun, stuffed, rather flat, top and bottom. And had like glass noodles inside, some vegetables.
It's delicious.
And it was really good. We enjoyed it.
We got three
We
bread.
got 3 of them, I think.
Yeah.
And then we also had like a soup. They had like seafood soup.
Uh-huh.
Also pretty good, kind of thick. And had this, I think it was squid?
Yeah, squid.
Squid. Well, that's pretty good. You gotta add some spiciness to it so you can actually enjoy it, at least for me and her.
And it's just 55 NT.
And everything we paid 157, say 160 NT, which is like, I don't know, like $6. So, great.
So 55 NT for the noodles, and then for the bread it's just maybe, I don't know, but it's really cheap. But it's delicious. So, wow, this is very nice. Come on, yeah, look at that. Oh. So windy. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so
But I
too.
don't think it was really clean, so.
But it smells not that good.
I mean, it's water, so don't expect it's a creek. So. Oh, look, that's how you get across.
What? I don't think I'm gonna do that. Do you want it to?
Nope, I don't realize. Let me go jump.
Yeah. So we saw a turtle over there. Not sure if you can see it. Turtle, and then there's a fish, and then definitely there's a lot of bird hunting, or a fish or birds. Yeah, the first tourist spot. Not. It's that. It's Anya. Okay, do it again. Sorry. Whoa, whoa.
You seem to be
whoa.
more amused about my thumbs up than the castle.
We are in Thai Mall right now. In Google Maps, it's showing Thai Mall Park. And then we end up here in the Thai Mall. It's a mall, definitely. And you can see it in my background. McDonald's, Tim Hortons. There's Starbucks in here. And we're gonna go to the entrance of the mall and find out what's inside this mall, which looks like a castle. Right, Vanya?
That's right.
Not paying attention. Outside, it doesn't look like someone is inside, but
It looks like an abandoned castle
yes,
with Zara on the side, and that kind of gives you a hint that this place has some stuff in it. And when
It's
you
a
go
mall.
around the building, you're first greeted with McDonald's, and then you're greeted with Starbucks, and then you're greeted with the entrance to this place. And now this is what you see. But it's like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stories high. So it's pretty big. Looks really, really nice.
and there's a lot of people here, even
Yeah.
students. So don't know what we're gonna check out, but we're just walking around. Maybe we're gonna eat again. Vanya loves to eat.
I'm always on the hunt for unique food. That's probably why I can't get down from my current weight. And I'm okay with that until my doctor tells me I should lose some weight.
Yeah,
Well, bring it on.
and it's spicy, right?
Yeah, they say spicy, but I'll be there for that. All right.
And I got mine too. I'm waiting for my soup as well. This is just 100. How much is the tea? 45 NT. And then for the soup, they are ranging 130 to 110. There's 110 to 150. This hungry man is with me again. What are you saying?
This lady's no longer angry at me because her feet hurt.
My tummy hurts as well. And you're feeding
She's a
me.
little baby.
Yeah, I know.
Great.
谢谢，谢谢，
Yes.
Thank you.